Inventions have always shaped the course of human history, driving us toward progress, innovation, and new horizons.
So let me ask you a question about this brave new world of yours. When you've killed all the bad guys...
Some inventions, however, go beyond the ordinary and feel almost like something out of a science fiction movie. These groundbreaking technologies not only seem futuristic, but are also poised to change the way we live, work, and interact with the world.
I think one of my great advantages is that I have very low expectations.
In this video, we will explore the most amazing inventions that seem to defy the laws of possibility, many of which are already in the works or even being implemented right now. From artificial intelligence to bioengineering, these innovations hold the potential to redefine the boundaries of science and technology. At number 10, we have quantum computing. For decades, computers have followed the basic principles of binary systems, using zeros and ones to process information. Quantum computing, however, takes a leap into a new realm, using the principles of quantum mechanics to process data in ways that were previously thought to be impossible. Unlike classical computers, which store and process bits of information, quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits. These qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously, thanks to a phenomenon known as superposition. This ability allows quantum computers to solve complex problems at an exponentially faster rate than today's most powerful supercomputers. The implications of quantum computing are immense, particularly in fields like cryptography, drug discovery, and artificial intelligence. While quantum computers are still in their infancy, leading companies like Google, IBM, and Microsoft are making significant strides, and experts believe that in the coming decades, quantum computers will revolutionize the world as we know it. Could solve some of the most difficult problems in science, like simulating molecular structures for drug development or optimizing global supply chains in ways we can't even imagine. Coming in at number 9 is artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. Artificial intelligence is no longer a mere concept confined to the pages of science fiction. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI has become a part of our daily lives. At its core, AI is about creating machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as recognizing patterns, making decisions, and learning from experience. Machine learning, a subset of AI, allows computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time without explicit programming. The potential for AI and ML to transform industries is staggering. For instance, AI-powered healthcare systems are already diagnosing diseases faster and more accurately than human doctors. In autonomous vehicles, AI is enabling cars to drive themselves, reducing accidents and making transportation more efficient. In fact, AI is being used to design new materials, predict climate change patterns, and even create art. While concerns about the ethical implications of AI exist, the fact remains that this technology is not just science fiction. It's here and evolving rapidly. Number 8 takes us to the world of brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. Imagine controlling a computer or prosthetic limb with just your thoughts. This is exactly what brain-computer interfaces aim to do. BCIs are devices that enable direct communication between the brain and external devices. By detecting brain signals and interpreting them, BCIs allow people to control machines, devices, or even their own bodies with nothing but their minds. These interfaces have enormous potential, especially in the medical field. For individuals who have lost the ability to move their limbs due to paralysis or neurodegenerative diseases like ALS, BCIs could offer a lifeline, enabling them to regain some form of mobility or independence. Moreover, BCIs could be used to enhance human cognition, allowing people to interface directly with computers and even augment their natural abilities. While still in the experimental stages, the progress in this field is impressive, with companies like Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk, pushing the boundaries of what BCIs can achieve. At number 7, we explore the concept of space tourism. Space has always been a realm of mystery and exploration, but now, thanks to advancements in aerospace technology, space tourism is on the horizon. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are working to make space travel accessible to private citizens. The idea of traveling to outer space, even for a short time, was once considered science fiction, but now it's becoming a reality. In the near future, we could see civilians boarding rockets and traveling to space, experiencing zero gravity, and perhaps even spending time aboard space hotels or space stations. The potential for space tourism to revolutionize the travel industry is enormous, offering people the opportunity to see Earth from above, conduct research in zero-gravity environments, and even begin the exploration and colonization of other planets. As technology advances and costs decrease, space tourism could become a common practice for the wealthy and, eventually, for a broader demographic. Number 6 brings us to autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars have long been a fixture of science fiction, but today, they are very much a reality. Thanks to advancements in AI, sensors, and machine learning, autonomous vehicles are becoming safer and more reliable every year. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are at the forefront of developing fully autonomous vehicles that can navigate cities, highways, and rural roads without human intervention. The promise of autonomous vehicles extends beyond mere convenience. They have the potential to transform society as a whole. With self-driving cars, we could see a future with fewer accidents, less traffic, and reduced carbon emissions. Additionally, autonomous vehicles could change the way we think about transportation, allowing people to travel longer distances, work while in transit, and eliminate the need for personal car ownership. While still in the testing phase, autonomous vehicles represent a significant leap toward a futuristic world of seamless transportation. Coming in at number 5 is 3D printing. 3D printing has revolutionized manufacturing, allowing objects to be created layer by layer from digital models. What makes this technology particularly remarkable is its ability to create highly complex and customized items at a fraction of the cost and time it would take using traditional manufacturing methods. From creating prosthetics and implants to printing entire buildings, the applications of 3D printing are endless. In industries like aerospace, automotive, and healthcare, 3D printing is enabling the creation of intricate parts and products that were previously impossible to produce. Medical researchers are even printing human tissue and organs, a breakthrough that could one day lead to organ transplants without the need for donors. In construction, 3D printing is being used to build homes in record time, using less material and reducing waste. As the technology continues to improve, 3D printing could change the way we think about production and consumption, making the possibilities feel like something straight out of science fiction. At number 4, we have vertical farming. Vertical farming involves growing crops in stacked layers or vertically inclined surfaces, often in controlled indoor environments. This innovative method of farming aims to tackle the challenges of traditional agriculture, such as limited land availability, water scarcity, and the environmental impact of farming practices. The concept of vertical farming is incredibly futuristic, with the potential to revolutionize the way we produce food. Using hydroponics, aeroponics, and other technologies, vertical farms can produce food in urban areas, reducing the need for large-scale industrial farming. They also use significantly less water and land, and they can operate year-round, regardless of weather conditions. With the world's population expected to grow to nearly 10 billion by 2050, vertical farming offers a sustainable solution to feeding the planet without further degrading the environment. Number 3 takes us to the realm of genetic engineering and CRISPR. Imagine being able to edit the DNA of living organisms with precision, potentially curing genetic disorders or creating genetically modified organisms with desirable traits. CRISPR-Cas9, a groundbreaking technology that allows scientists to alter genes with unprecedented accuracy, is making this possible. With CRISPR, researchers can remove, add, or alter specific genes in the DNA sequence of organisms, including humans. The potential applications of CRISPR are vast, ranging from eradicating diseases like cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia to enhancing crops and livestock for better nutrition and resilience. While the technology is still in its early stages, the implications for medicine, agriculture, and even environmental conservation are profound. CRISPR is one of the most significant breakthroughs in modern biotechnology, and its impact on our future could be as transformative as the discovery of penicillin or the development of vaccines. At number 2, we have the concept of fusion power. Fusion power, the process that powers the sun, has long been considered the holy grail of energy production. If scientists can successfully replicate this process on Earth, It could provide an unlimited, clean, and safe source of energy. Fusion involves fusing atomic nuclei to release vast amounts of energy, a process that produces no greenhouse gases or long-lived radioactive waste. The potential for fusion to solve the world's energy crisis is immense. Unlike nuclear fission, which splits atoms and creates hazardous waste, fusion produces only helium as a byproduct, making it a much cleaner and safer option. Researchers have been working for decades to achieve sustainable fusion reactions, and while challenges remain, recent breakthroughs in technology suggest that we may be closer than ever to achieving commercial fusion power. Finally, at number 1, we have the singularity. The concept of the singularity refers to a hypothetical point in the future where technological growth becomes uncontrollable and irreversible, leading to unforeseeable changes in human civilization. This concept, popularized by futurist Ray Kurzweil, posits that as AI advances, it will surpass human intelligence, leading to a world where machines can improve themselves autonomously, ultimately creating a new form of intelligence that is beyond human comprehension. While the singularity may still be far off, its potential implications are mind-boggling. If achieved, it could lead to a future where humanity and AI merge, creating a post-human civilization with capabilities that we cannot yet imagine. Whether viewed with optimism or fear, the singularity represents the pinnacle of human technological achievement, a moment when the line between human and machine blurs completely.